Alright, fellow YouTubers, presenting episode 4 of Joel's Cooking Show. Today we're going to show you how to make a simple grilled cheese sandwich with meat in it, of course, and extra cheese. And on the side we're going to have tomato and basil soup with some crackers. Alright, let's start with the grilled cheese. Alright, so the bread I have. This is premium white big bread, good source of calcium. Alright, let's get this started. Now what I like to do before I add the bread in is I like to add a little bit of vegetable oil. Makes it have more flavor. That way if any cheese gets on the pan, it won't stick. I'm going to add some butter to it. Alright, now I'm going to add in the first piece of bread. Alright, what I like doing with my grilled cheese is adding, actually unbelievably, on my grilled cheese, some pepper. Makes it have a lot more flavor. I'll be using a secret sauce for the grilled cheese too, make it even better. Alright, now time to add some cheese. Then we're going to add a layer of meat, some uncured applewood smoked ham, what I also like to do for my grilled cheeses is sear the frickin' meat for the grilled cheese too. Awesome. Still cooking pretty good. Alright, while this is sizzling away here, cooking for a bit, I'm going to start the soup up. I'm even going to throw some pepper in the tomato soup. Oh, this is the good stuff, tomato basil. I like dipping the cheddar cheese and the grilled cheese in the tomato basil. It makes it really good. Alright, it's golden brown right now, guys, on the bottom. Almost done. For that side. Add a little bit more butter because we're running out of oil for the pan. Now I'm going to add the meat onto the grilled cheese because it's cooked pretty good now, almost like bacon. So it's good. It's gonna be so yummy. Alright, now guys, add another layer of cheese to it. Like I said, I like adding extra cheese even to the cheese I've already added. And I'm adding some shredded medium cheddar cheese. I believe it's time to flip it and put the other piece of bread on top. Now it's just going to be cooked in cheese. Oh yeah, that's the way I like my grilled cheese. Alright, this is my masterpiece for grilled cheeses right now. Best grilled cheese I've had without burning it too much. Tomato soup is even finished. I'm going to add some extra pepper in tomato soup for flavor. Alright guys, and that concludes my video for the grilled cheese and tomato soup combo that I had going here. Thanks for watching, and please stay tuned because there will be a dessert video coming out for my 5th episode. Congratulations guys on it being my 5th episode. So I'm kind enough to make a dessert for you guys. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned. Subscribe. Comment below. Feel free for whatever you guys want to do. Alright, stick around. See Joel again.